today's video I continue working on my old townhouse in the north of France. I will finish the joints in the kitchen wall, followed by building the frame for future insulation of the bedroom wall. I will also cut my finger. Can't wait to get all the dusty stuff done and finish the kitchen. Finally, someday get the kitchen finished and enjoy a real cup of coffee in the morning with a nice newspaper. I mean, this is a real cup of coffee, of course, but in a nicer, cleaner and more enjoyable atmosphere. I just received my new tool. It is the second item of my works collection. It's number 1. I'm beginning to like this baby. I just need a couple of more discs in 120. For now I just continue work in my kitchen doing other stuff, but this is indeed very nice. Mon Dieu, quelle poussière! Good morning! I'm super tired, it's 8 o'clock. Now I have to attack all of this above. Rejoining everything as I did in the other room, which was kind of a hell of a work, but now I built something to be a bit higher up on the ceiling. Some nice, very sturdy construction. And now I'm ready for the mixture. Let's have a look at the chart. I do half of normal sand, 2.5 of lapin, white concrete and lime. nice cup of coffee just to keep me going.
When I'm with you, everything feels so real. I always like the way you make me feel. When I'm with you, everything feels so real.
Well, no biggie. The first accident in 4 weeks was about to happen. I'm tired, I go home now, and it's hurting quite a bit, but I guess since it's my own bloody fault, I kind of deserve it. But I'm also happy that I am about to insulate the final wall in my bedroom. Maybe I start tomorrow or in the next couple of days.